Every grind has the potential to bring change, and every change can be felt. Embrace innovative, industrial Internet thinking to revolutionize the small batch PCBA digital production process. With the Internet of Everything era upon us, the industrial electronics industry is rapidly evolving. Large factories are unwilling to take on small batches with urgent delivery, while small factories struggle to meet demand. At our company, we are dedicated to being a change partner and addressing the pain points of small batches in the industry. PCBasic, one-stop electronic information solution provider. PCBasic specializes in one-stop, fast production for product development, component supply, PCBA, and finished product assembly, with a focus on multi-variety and small batch orders. In 2016, our IT team developed MES, a cutting-edge digital production management system, to further enhance our capabilities. We have flagship production plants located in Shenzhen and Huizhou, and are uniquely positioned to offer fast PCBA production in various fields, such as industrial control, industrial hub, smart home, vehicle Internet of Things, communication power supply, medical equipment, and automotive electronics. Industry-university research cooperation, scientific and technological innovation. At PCBasic, we have a dedicated R&D team, IT team, and experienced production management team led by industry experts. With a focus on continuous technological advancement, we have invested in cutting-edge research and development to develop intelligent software solutions that improve production efficiency and quality. Our self-developed systems include LCR, incoming inspection, SMT, first article inspection, sample patching, MES, intelligent material racks, steel grid racks, and ESD, electrostatic protection systems. We have successfully developed and produced high-performance products such as Industrial Hub and Tax Hub for our customers. Additionally, we collaborate with universities on industry-university research initiatives to transform scientific research results into practical applications. Our digital innovation efforts have led us to independently develop a suite of production management systems, including MES, WMS, QMS, APS, CRM, and IoT Intelligent Shelf System, making us a world-leading production management and service enterprise. As a result, we have obtained numerous SoftWorks and patent certificates, lean production, and strict quality control. After over a decade of technology accumulation and digital system research and development, PCBasic has built a comprehensive production system. Our SMT workshop boasts multiple sample, small batch, and batch production lines, while our DIP workshop has multiple peak production and test and assembly production lines. Our main production equipment includes a laser stencil machine, CNC fixture equipment, Fuji placement machine, 10 temperature zone reflow soldering, automatic printing machine, SPI solder paste inspection equipment, AOI after furnace, furnace temperature tester, BGA testing equipment, independent TFT first article tester, wave soldering, 3 anti-paint spraying machine, CNC splitting machine, laser coating machine, and PCBA cleaning machine. Leveraging our digital intelligent management system, PCBasic ensures agile response speed, fast delivery, and high standard quality. The entire production process is holographically modeled and quality traced. We have established a multi-channel supply chain system with original factories, agents, and platform docking, as well as a strict supplier certification and management system to ensure a more stable and smooth supply. Our factory has passed numerous quality system certifications, and our products meet the requirements of the latest EU environmental protection directives. Create value and quality service. To quickly respond to global production needs, we have increased the construction of our industrial interconnection, digital platform services. We have developed an online automatic pricing, order placement, payment, production process, and real-time data synchronization system throughout the entire logistics process. This allows customers to quickly obtain accurate quotations and complete order production process quality monitoring, saving on communication costs. Before the production of each product, our professional engineers evaluate component selection, PCB design, and manufacturing processes to help customers reduce costs and prevent quality risks. To date, we have served end customers in more than 100 countries and regions around the world, as well as a number of domestic and foreign-listed companies and world-renowned internet technology companies. Long-lasting quality, gathering talents. PCBasic has helped over 1,000 small and micro manufacturing enterprises realize digital transformation by utilizing our self-developed MES system. We are committed to contributing to the development and growth of the industry while creating an excellent corporate brand image.
The company focuses on multi-variety, small batch, R&D and PCB quick production one-stop service. We have always adhered to the four core competitiveness of speed, quality, technology, and service. In the next 3 to 5 years, we will become a benchmark enterprise in this segment. Let our independently developed MAX system help 1,000 small and micro enterprises in digital transformation.
We are a one-stop electronic information solution provider at PCBasic.